Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you an advanced guide on how to solve the contact poster not working problem on your iPhone. Let's start the video. Method 1. Make sure that name and photo sharing are enabled. Launch the settings menu on your iOS device. On the settings, scroll down to find messages and click on it. Inside the messages menu, make sure that share name and photos are enabled. If share name and photos doesn't work in your phone, then I have made a video on this topic, the link of which I will give in the description. You can watch it and solve your problem. Now click on it. Click on continue to customize your poster. In this page, type your first and last name and choose your image from the gallery which you want to set. Click on next, then update, and then done at the top right. Now click continue and then click on done at the bottom of the page. Method 2. Make sure that name and photo sharing are enabled in phone app and contact only is selected. For that, open the phone app on your iOS device. On the phone app, click on My Card. Then click on Content Photo and Poster. Here, make sure name and photo sharing are enabled. If it's already enabled, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now, click on Share Automatically and select Contact Only. If this solution doesn't solve your problem, then customize your new page. For that, click on Edit. Inside the Edit menu, delete your previous poster. After deleting the previous poster, create your new poster and your problem will be solved.